Welcome to UserAndI, the channel where we explore all things UI and UX design, and today we're doing a UI design review of social media sharing tool MeetEdgar. So we're going to start with what they could have done better. This is their onboarding screen, and this is the first thing you see when you open the app. You haven't logged in, and on the slide this is your second screen. The area that stands out to me immediately that could do some improvement is this area here. The distance between the secondary call to action and the main call to action is really small. So if you wanted to press, let's say, enable notifications, whilst it's got a bigger surface area, skip doesn't. And if you try to press skip, you might end up pressing one of the navigation buttons here that goes to the next screen, or you might actually end up pressing enable notifications anyway. I would consider a side-by-side layout. So I'd have the skip button here, and I'd have my main call to action on the right hand side, giving them enough space to select enable notifications, but also giving them enough space to press skip in case they needed a little bit more convincing. Now onto what they did well, of which there are many. What stands out to me immediately are the illustrations here. These are really bright, they're big, they feature some of the things you'll see within the app as well, which is really nice. It's on a really nice colourful background. It stands out, it catches your eye immediately, which is great. Another thing they've done really well are these snappy sentences that really give you a really brief intro to the application itself and what you can get from that. It's really digestible, it's really simple, it's not screaming at you, which is great. Another thing they've done really well is the size of these call to actions, which is the main thing you're here for, to get users from A to B. I think it stands out considerably. Even the color catches your eye, which is nice. All in all, this is one of my favorite onboarding screens. It does the job with the illustration, it does the job with the intro text, and the call to actions are clear. And you also know exactly how many tiles you have to go through before you get to the sign up screen. Let me know in the comments below what you'd have done differently or what you agree with, and I'll see you on the next episode.